Hello, my lovelies. I hope you all are good. I am again Charu ma'am, your science teacher, teaching you from the book Science Horizon by Amit Publication from Knowledge Series. So, children, what is your next chapter? The sun, the moon, and the earth. This is lesson number 11, chapter number 11. Chapter contains what is the sun and the moon and what is the earth. Sun, moon क्या होते हैं और earth क्या होते हैं. When live on the earth, we live on the earth. हम सब earth पे रहते हैं. It is made up of land and water. और किससे बना हुआ है? Land से, धरती से और पानी से. It has air around it. When we look up the sky, हम जब आसमान में देखते हैं, we see the sun, the moon and the star. हम sky में क्या देखते हैं? Sun, moon and stars. What are the sun and the moon? ये क्या होते हैं? We see the sun during the day. हम दिन में sun देखते हैं. We see the moon and the stars at night. What is the sun? We see the sun in the sky during the day. It looks like a big round yellow ball. ठीक है, it's a big ball. We get heat and light from the sun. हमें गर्मी और heat मिलती है, गर्माई मिलती है और रोशनी मिलती है. Plants take food using the light of the sun. The sun is many times bigger than the sun. बहुत बड़ा है अर्थ से. It appears small to us. It is very far from the earth. ऐसा लगता है दूर से हमें कि इतना छोटा सा है, पर the sun is very big. The sun moves around the sun. The sun rises in the east when the sun rises in the morning. Sun rise कहाँ करता है? In the east में. और when the sun rises, it is morning. जब rise होता है तो वो सुबह का टाइम होता है. Sun is in a fixed path. The sun sets in the west. When the sun sets, it is evening. जब वो डूबता है शाम को तो शाम का समय होता है. When the sun gets completely, जब बिल्कुल छुप जाता है, it's a night. जब अंधेरा हो जाता है. What is the moon? We see the moon in the sky at night. हम रात को moon देखते हैं. The shape of the moon look different day. हर रोज moon की shape different दिखती है. The different shape of the moon is called the phases of the moon. The full moon, the half moon and the crescent moon are some phases of the moon. On some days we cannot see the moon in the night sky. कुछ दिनों में हम night sky नहीं, रात को moon नहीं देखते. This is called the new moon. The moon moves around the earth in the fixed path. Full moon, half moon, crescent moon, and this is new moon. Now, to recognize the sun and the moon as objects that can be seen in the sky. So, what am I, the sun or the moon? So, what am I? मैं क्या हूँ? मैं sun हूँ या moon हूँ? I look like a yellow ball in the day sky. It's sun. We can see me at night moon. आप मुझे रात को देख सकते हो. My shape changes every day. Yes, it's moon. When I rise, it is morning. जब मैं उदय होता हूँ तो वो सुबह का टाइम होता है. That is sun. So what is next? What do you think I look like? Draw me. आप कैसा सोचते हो कि मैं कैसा हूँ? मुझे draw करके बताओ. This is a homework for you children. You have to draw the sun in your homework. Sun and moon. What is the earth? The earth is made up of land and water. Many animals and plants are found on the earth. बहुत से plants और animals हमें कहाँ मिलते हैं? Earth पर. It has air around it. उसके चारों तरफ हवा होती है. The air around the earth is called the atmosphere. Like the sun, the earth is also a sphere. The earth looks blue in color. Earth नीले रंग की दिखती है. This is a globe. This is the earth. When viewed from the space, this is because most of the surface of the earth is covered with water. Most of the surface of the earth is covered with water. Landform. The land on the earth is not the same everywhere. At some places the land is raised. At some places it is flat. Some places it is slope like mountains, hills, plain, deserts and valleys are some types of landforms. This is Earth. Now some types of landforms: river, stream, lake, pond. Sources of water. These are the sources of water: river, lake, stream and pond. Most of the water present on the earth, it is salty. जो बहुत कुछ जगहों पे जो पानी होता है वो salty होता है, थोड़ा सा नमक जैसा. It is present in large water bodies called oceans and seas. We cannot use water from oceans and seas. हम use नहीं कर सकते समुद्र और नदियों का पानी. We can use only fresh water. Fresh water is present in rivers. और जो साफ पानी हमें कहाँ मिलता है? Rivers में, lakes में, झरनों में and तालाबों, ponds. A lot of water is also stored as ice and snow. Water is also present under the ground. Under the ground में भी हमें पानी मिलता है. So keywords and explanations we already did in the previous page. Let's call these, read these recalling lines. Now recalling concepts. So I hope you all are ready. Please ready for the pencil and your things for writing. We get dash from the sun. We get heat, light, both, water. Yes, we get both from the sun. हमें sun से गर्मी भी मिलती है और light भी मिलती है. Dash is the time of the day when the sun sets completely. तो कौन सा time होता है जब the sun, it's the evening. कब डूबता है? शाम. Dash is the face of the moon when the moon is not seen in the sky. New moon. Clear, children? The earth looks blue when viewed from the space. The earth looks blue. We cannot use water from dash, it is salty. We cannot use water from oceans because it is salty. Ocean का जो पानी होता है वो थोड़ा वो नमक जैसा, इसलिए हम उसे नहीं यूज कर सकते. Now come to the fill in the blanks. The sun looked like a big round yellow ball. We get dash and light from the sun. We get what? Heat and light from the sun. The moon moves around the dash in a fixed path. The moon moves around the earth in a fixed path. The air around the earth is called the atmosphere. The earth moves around the earth is sun in a fixed path. The sun changes its shape every day? No. The sun moves around the earth. The earth looks like a yellow ball? No. The moon moves around the earth? No. The earth has many types of landforms? Yes. Now children, come to the question answers of lesson 11. Why does the sun look small to us? Sun appears small to us and it is a very far from the earth, क्योंकि वो earth से बहुत दूर होता है, इसलिए हमें वो छोटा लगता है. What do you mean by faces of the moon? The different shapes of the moon are called the faces of the moon. Name the four faces of the moon. The four faces of the moon is full moon, half moon, crescent. What is the atmosphere? The air around the earth is called the atmosphere. Name any four landforms. The four landforms are mountains, hills, plains and deserts. So stay excited for climb of another video. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Love you all.